Peace, family. Welcome back to another video with Credit Healing LLC. Today, we're going to be discussing with you how to add rental history to your credit file, which will subsequently boost your credit scores, then allow you to be able to qualify for that mortgage that you're trying to get, or if you're trying to get an auto loan, a personal loan, etc. Now, this method is very easy and very simple to do. For those of you who do not know, to add rental history to your credit report is a significant boost because now you have additional credit history that's reported. And now when the lenders look at your credit file, they'll be able to see that you've been making payments over time, and this will help you to be able to qualify. Now, for those of you who do not know, rental history is not mandated. Therefore, it's not required for a landlord or a homeowner to report their tenant's credit history to their credit file. However, what you can do is you can add it yourself by following the steps that we're going to give you. Let's dive into it. All right, family, so let's get started. Now, I do want to add this, that for those of you who are trying to qualify for a mortgage, this is going to help boost your credit scores. However, if you have derogatory items that are reporting to your credit report, then most likely you're going to have to get those items deleted. We can get them deleted for you, but you cannot go and try to get a mortgage with debt, because that debt, if it's consumer debt, such as a credit card, or if you have, say for instance, a charge-off item or charge-off items, the underwriters, they're going to tell you to resolve it before they can move forward. So I would recommend that you allow us to be able to delete it for you, because if you try to pay it down to a zero balance, although it's going to help boost your scores just a little bit, it's not going to help you resolve this derogatory item, because it's only going to be reported as a zero balance and it will still remain on your credit file for up to 7 years. So I would recommend let us get it deleted for you. Now, if you're in a crunch of time, or if you're trying to hurry up and get qualified for a mortgage because you found a home that you're trying to hurry up and purchase, then obviously you can go ahead and pay it down to zero balance, but it'll be much harder for you to get removed after you qualify for the mortgage. So we can discuss that. If you have any questions, as I said, reach out to us at contact@credithealing.org and we'll be able to assist you. All right. So what you will do is that you will click on the link that we provide in the description below. And that's the link here. And it's very simple for you to do. Now, once you use our link, you can save $25 when you first sign up. If you are a person who like to keep money in your pocket or save money, then use the link that we provide. If you because otherwise, if you don't use the link, then you're not going to be able to save money when you first sign up. It's a very affordable, and actually the most affordable company to report rental history in America right now. And I know this because I know all the companies. All right, so you click on where it says Credit Healing 25. Then you'll click on, you read the information, scroll down here. Yes, I qualify. Click on that. And so now you can read the reviews. There's a lot of good reviews. This company has helped a lot of people. And there are 3 options. So the first option is to sign up online. This takes 3 to 5 days to report to your credit file. Or if you like to speak to a representative, you can also call. They provide the number here. Or if you would like to book the time to schedule an appointment with someone, if you have any additional questions, then you can do that by clicking on this button right here. But for this tutorial, we're going to just show you how to sign up and get it reported within 3 to 5 days. So you'll click on that button there. Now, if you are an individual, you can just click on this button here. But if you have a family that you would like to get your rental history reported, then you'll click on this button down here. Now make sure to add the promo code Credit Healing 25 to get the discounted rate, and that's very good. And make sure that you click on that. So it's very simple for you to do. All you have to enter your email address, your first name, last name, date of birth, phone number, and then continue with your registration. That's simply how you will do it. They're going to be basically reaching out to you to ask you various questions. They ask you to just submit a lease agreement, etc. Very simple, very seamless. It's not going to be like a headache. You're not going to have to worry about trying to, get certain things resolved if you do have a lease agreement. And most of you do have a lease that you signed when you first started renting. All right, family. So now you know how to add rental history to your credit report. It's going to take roughly between 3 to 5 business days for it to report to your credit file. However, you will see a drastic boost to your credit scores, especially if you have up to 2 years of rental payments that have been reported. and this is what's good about it. Now, otherwise, it won't be reported unless you go through this process. So I recommend you go ahead and do that today. All right, family. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at contact@credithealing.org. And if you're ready to start to heal and build your credit, go to www.credithealing.org. Peace.